how to add filters to your TikTok videos. So if you want to add filters to your TikTok videos, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged in, you need to go with the plus button, which will be in the bottom. And you'll be able to add your photos. You will have the option on the bottom right here. Tap on it, and then you will have your photos option. You'll be able to add your photos, or you can just simply go back and then you will have filters right here. You'll be able to record right now. So go and select these filters. You can select any filter that you're comfortable with. Once you've selected the filter, then you need to tap and hold on to this big circle right here and then start recording your videos. Or if you've already recorded a video, like for example, I'll just simply go with a blank filter with no filter and record something. Now, as you can see that I've done recording. Now, once you've done recording, and if you want to add the filter at the last, then you can go with the filters option right here, tap on it, and then you'll be able to add filters like the trending, new, visual. You'll have all of the kind of filters. You can go and select any filter right here, and then it will be added. And go with save, which will be on top, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.